Hello, this video, I will show you how can LCD display achieve multi-screen synchronization. Method 1. Use LED art to send programs by mobile phone. First of all, 3 devices need to be set to standalone mode, and then in the advanced options. To open the multi-machine synchronization, users can also turn on multi-screen synchronization in more settings in the LED Art app. Open LED Art app. Create a new program. Click Send. Check 3 devices to send programs synchronously. After successful transmission, the program can be synchronized on the display. Method 2. Xiaohui Cloud Platform Operation. The first step is to log in to the Xiaohui Cloud Platform. Ensure 3 devices are bound to the cloud platform. Check the 3 devices that need to be synchronized. Click on Multi-Screen Synchronization in More. Open the multi-screen synchronization option. Create a new LCD program. Select the newly created program and click Send. Check the device to select Send. You can check the program delivery status in the log. Successfully published programs can be displayed on the display simultaneously.